So a group of our students who are part of the Age Exchange project have come into the care home this afternoon to do some singing, Christmas sing-along with the residents and have a chat. And I think some of them are playing some games as well. We've got a really wide range of students who take part in this. It's one of our most popular projects. A lot of students really enjoy it. We've got them doing kind of degrees related to medicine or psychology, but a real range. Just people who kind of want to get out of the university, into the community, and chat to some different people.
Where was the farm? And where was the farm?
It can be quite an interesting point of exchange over here, because you have people who have been alive longer than we've had electricity in our homes. I remember I spoke to one resident and they literally said their wedding gift was a refrigerator, and they remember, as another part of their wedding gift, they changed all the gas lamps in their house to electricity. And it just blows my mind that we have people alive from that time, you know? Simultaneously, I'm also able to speak about my experiences in, I guess not necessarily the 21st century, but, being someone from Gen Z, I'm able to tell them about the kind of things I do in university. Maybe I'm able to show them a video or two of my phone of places I've been, things I do. And I feel like that's also a fulfilling experience for them as well. Because, it's again, that idea of exchange. Yeah.
I was just going to ask, Dorothy, you've had the volunteers in this afternoon. You've been having a chat with them.
Yeah.
Have you enjoyed that?
I have.
Yeah?
I met him the last time he was here.
Yeah.
And we discussed similar things. We talked about me being invited with the Prince of Wales, as he was then.
Yeah.
Chatted to him about different things, And when Diana had the baby, Henry, my daughter was in the same hospital.
Wow.
Having her baby.
Oh, wow.
So we just chat general chat.
Yeah. Do you think talking to people, having people come from the outside, kind of uplifts your mood a bit? Do you think
yes, it does, but I just like people.
Yeah, you're a people person. Yeah. Did you enjoy the singing this afternoon?
Of course I did.
Yeah.
I used to sing in a church choir.
Did you?
I was a soprano, but I don't know where that's gone.
I am quite a talkative person, I would say. I don't necessarily struggle to speak to new people, but the way I used to speak to people was I used to find areas of common interest. And obviously with an elderly population, that might be a bit difficult. So I feel like it's enabled me to hone those skills. As you said, it is a skill. It's enabled me to learn about the different ways of communication and how to approach these kind of things when you don't have mutual interest, let's say. Although you will see mutual interest. Like I said, I play chess here. I enjoy chess. Some of the residents also enjoy chess. So I feel like you will still see that, but it's not as common as it would be amongst people of your age group. Yeah.
I think the residents seem to really love it. The few that I've been chatting to today said they really love the students who come in regularly. They love chatting to them. I think it's just nice for them to see different faces and have some different company and different people to talk to, tell their stories. A lot of the students don't live in Swansea, so the residents like telling them a little bit more about the area and then hearing from the students about where they're from as well. I think is a really nice kind of exchange.
So I was just going to ask this afternoon, we have these volunteers come in every week from the university. Do you enjoy them coming in?
Oh, I do. It gives me better life.
Yeah.
Talk about my home, my work.
Yeah.
And it makes me forget my home.
Yeah.
Until they're gone.
Yeah. So it's nice to have a talk about your life and share stories.
Yeah.
Yeah, fantastic.